Welcome back to another deal video at Harbor Freight. I'm going to go over day 11 of the 12 days of sales they are doing. And on day 11, here they're going to be offering 50% off on all extreme duty tarps. So I'll go over some of the different sizes here that they have, as well as pricing. So it is going to be limited to extreme duty only and not the heavy duty ones. Extreme duty are 12 mil thick and it's silver and black. So you want to have the silver side up to help reflect the sun, to help make the whatever you're covering up be a little bit cooler underneath. And then the other side is black. Unless you want to keep things heated, you can have the black side up. All right, so to give you some examples here, they have a 6 by 8 foot one that's $9. So you save 50% on that. They're already out in this store, the 8 by 10, that's $13. And they have a 12 by 16 that is 35. A 10 by 12 that's 20. And a 12 by 20 feet that's 43. Then they have an 18 by 24 that's 70. Then they have an 8 by 10 that is $30. A 30 by 40 that's 140. Then they have a 20 by 30 that is $90. So great time to pick up some extreme duty tarps, saving 50%. It's a good deal. And if you enjoy content like this, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and also consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. It does help spread the word to other deal enthusiasts like you, and I do appreciate that support. Now let's move on to the next deal. And the other deal they're offering on day 11 is going to be saving 50% off on all Grant's auto detailing and cleaning products and accessories. It'd be a great time to pick up some Grant's brand detail items. I'm going to start off here talking about the Grant's detail seat. This is a compact detail seat that's rated up to 300 pounds. It does have a seat height of 14 3/4 inch. It has removable trays, so you'll be able to organize your different cleaning products or tools while detailing. It has interior trays right there. It has a pull-out little drawer there for other supplies as well. I believe it does come with like a cushion to go on top of this. They just don't have it on display here. And it does have 4-inch swivel caster wheels, so they're nice and large. And it appears that the one side of them do lock in place, so you can stay right where you're at. It's pretty nice. It is normally priced at $70, so you'll save 50% on that. So it'll be $35. That'd be an awesome pickup on this seat. I would definitely recommend picking up one. That's going to be the cheapest it's been in the history of the last 3 or 4 years. So definitely a great deal at $35. The next awesome Grants product to consider getting is this Grants 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner kit. It does heat over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It has 11.5 ounce of water tank and it has 11 multi-surface accessories with that. It is a corded tool. It is priced at normally $40, so it'll only be $20 for this. This is what the box looks like, and these are the accessories that it does come with. So definitely could do an assortment of different cleanings and different tasks with this steamer, especially for detailing and cleaning and even disinfecting kitchen counters. So it's very versatile. It's great to have a steamer on hand, and this one might be a great one to pick up. I have heard great reviews on this steamer. People are happy with the product, and $20, you really can't beat that. It even comes with a little funnel to be able to pour the water in easily. So very nice steamer. I might consider picking one of these up on day 11 here coming up tomorrow on Monday, December 22nd. So definitely great time to pick up some Grants products, saving 50%. That's an insane deal. I think they did do an awesome deal like this on the steamer. I don't know if it was last month or month before during a parking lot sale. And that was definitely a good time to pick it up as well. But saving 50%, you really can't beat it. And this is the month I'm doing another $100 gift card giveaway to one lucky winner I'll be doing the drawing on January 1st. And all you have to do to enter to win is simply leave a comment below and I'll get you entered. I will be posting the winner announcement on my community post on January 1st. And I'm doing this to show my appreciation for you guys watching my videos. You guys got me past the 20,000 subscriber mark last month. And now I have a new goal to try to get to 30,000 by the end of this month. And if we can get there, I will do a giveaway of 5 gold icon ratchets that are 3/8 in size, and I need to reach that goal of 30,000 by the end of the month in order to give them away. So I need you to help me get there. If you're not subscribed already to these deal videos, I really do appreciate that support. Let's move on to the next deal. Now, Grants does offer many different varieties of products to choose from for car detailing, and I'll go over some of the ones that they have. So you could go with a 8-inch polishing bonnets that you could buff, polish, and wax on and off with. That's only priced at $6, so that'd only be $3 for that. And they also have 10-inch ones as well that are priced at $7, so it'd be $3.50. Then they have 5 to 6-inch polishing bonnets. That's the terry microfiber and fleece ones that are $6, so that'd be $3. And they also have the different one here. It's also 5 to 6-inch, priced at $6. It would also be $3. And they even have some compound foam pads and polishing and finishing foam pads. So your choice there, they're each $9. So it'll only be $4.50 for those. Then they have the power drill brush detailing kit. That's $10. So that'll only be $5. You can do complete kit for home and auto detailing, deep clean multiple surfaces in less time with less effort. It has 5 unique brushes that you can put into your drill. It has a 1/4-inch shank bits to them. So that might be a good pickup for only $5. And then here's the infamous 2XL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel. It is 36-inch by 24-inch. It's the high vis green on one side and then gray on the other. These are nice drying towels. It is 6 square feet, ultra absorbent, premium microfiber. So they have that normally priced at $10. But you'll save that 50% on that, so it'll only be $5. It'd be a great time to pick these up. Now my question is, well, they are sold out at this store, but they do have the Grants 12-pack of the edgeless microfiber towels. You're already saving 20% on that with the Christmas sale, which is like the rebrand of the instant savings. So I wonder if you would save an additional 50% on that $8 price. That'd be an awesome deal, especially if they have them in stock and you can pick them up. So it'd only be $4 for that. Other options is the Grants Ultimate Streak-Free Glass Towels. It's 100% streak, scratch, and lint-free. It's 16 by 16-inch. It's a dual-sided 3-pack of them for $7, so it'll only be $3.50. And then they also have the Grants Dirt Guard bucket insert that traps dirt in the bucket when you're doing auto detailing. It'd be great to go in your free Harbor Freight bucket that you're getting from this weekend. It is priced at $8, so only be $4 for that. And a couple other options is on the Ultra Plush Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt. It is scratch-free, ultra plush design. You'll make car washing nice and easy. This is priced normally at $7, but it'll be only $3.50 for that. They have a microfiber wash and bug scrubbing sponge that is normally priced at $4, so that'd only be $2. These are great deals, saving the 50%. And here would be another great pickup on the Grants Extreme Foaming Spray Gun. So you could turn your garden hose into a foam cannon with this thing. You just fill the bottle up with your car wash soap. It is a 32-ounce soap reservoir to it. So you'd be able to foam up the suds right onto your vehicle. This is priced normally at $22, so this would only be $11. That'd be a great time to pick this up, especially if you don't have a power washer with a foam cannon attachment. So this would be probably the next best thing to do. So it includes the nozzle as well for the garden hose. That you can use it as a spray nozzle. So you just mix it in the tank, dispense it, wash it down, and then you rinse. Simple as that. All right, so that's going to be it for the deals for day 11, Monday, December 22nd. If you get any value from this video, I'd appreciate you get a thumbs up and consider hyping the video. If you're on a mobile device, it does help spread the word to other deal enthusiasts. I really do appreciate your support, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.